What is vibe coding? Vibe coding is a new approach to software development where you use AI tools to build applications through natural language prompts and conversational interactions, rather than writing code line by line manually. The term represents a shift from traditional programming to AI-assisted development, where you describe what you want and AI generates the code. Key characteristics: uses natural language to describe desired functionality. AI generates, debugs, and modifies code based on prompts, enables non-programmers to build functional applications, focuses on rapid prototyping and iteration. Popular vibe coding tools. The videos highlight several platforms. Cursor, most frequently mentioned, IDE with built-in AI assistance. Windsurf, alternative to Cursor with similar capabilities. Replit, browser-based coding with AI agents. Bolt New, quick prototyping tool. Lovable Dev, specialized for web applications. VDev, Vercel's AI development tool. Google AI Studio, Google's entry into vibe coding. Claude Code, Anthropic's coding assistant. Getting started with vibe coding. Tech with Tim's tutorial emphasizes these fundamentals. Setup process: download and install Cursor or similar tool. Configure AI models, GPT-4, etc. Set up version control with GitHub. Choose appropriate frameworks. Essential skills: writing effective prompts, product requirements documents, PRDs. Understanding basic programming concepts. Debugging AI-generated code. Using version control for saving work. Best practices: start with a clear plan specification. Work incrementally, small changes at a time. Test frequently. Use context and documentation features. Learn from the code AI generates. The vibe coding workflow. Tina Huang's Vibe Coding Fundamentals outlines this process. Planning phase: create a product requirements document, PRD. Define features, user flows, and technical requirements. Choose appropriate frameworks and tools. Development phase: use natural language prompts to generate code. Iterate with AI to refine functionality. Add features incrementally. Debug issues by describing problems to AI. Version control: use GitHub for tracking changes. Commit frequently. Create branches for new features. Deployment: test thoroughly. Deploy to hosting platforms. Monitor and maintain. Critical perspectives: are we really ready for AI coding? Cold Fusion, and if you're still vibe coding, you're falling behind. David Andre present important cautions. Limitations: security vulnerabilities. AI may generate insecure code. Technical debt: code can be bloated and inefficient. Maintenance challenges: hard to debug without understanding code. Context limitations: AI struggles with complex, large-scale projects. Hallucinations: AI can generate incorrect or non-functional code. The reality check: vibe coding alone is insufficient for production applications. You still need foundational programming knowledge. Professional developers are needed to review and fix AI-generated code. Best used for prototyping, learning, and simple projects. The evolution from vibe coding to AI coding. David Andre distinguishes between vibe coding, blindly accepting AI-generated code without understanding. AI coding, using AI as a tool while maintaining technical knowledge. The recommended approach: learn programming fundamentals. Use AI to accelerate development. Understand the code AI generates. Implement human-in-the-loop workflows. Use coding agents for specific tasks. Maintain quality control. Practical applications: real-world examples from the videos. Games: Tetris, tic-tac-toe, full game development. Web applications: task managers, dashboards, fitness apps. Data tools: web crawlers, APIs, automation scripts. Business tools: custom applications for specific needs. Prototypes: rapid MVP development. Creator Magic's tutorial shows how to build custom web crawlers for any website. Create APIs from scratch. Turn data into functional web apps. Monetize AI-generated tools. Learning resources and approaches. Key recommendations across videos. Start simple. Begin with small projects. Learn by doing, not just watching. Understand fundamentals. Learn basic programming concepts. Understand frameworks and libraries. Study algorithm design. Use AI as a teacher. Ask AI to explain code it generates. Request tutorials on specific concepts. Learn debugging techniques. Build real projects. Create applications you'll actually use. Solve real problems. Build a portfolio. The business opportunity. Greg Eisenberg's best vibe coding tools in 2026, and other videos highlight. Growing market for AI-generated applications. Opportunities for non-technical founders. Rapid prototyping enables faster validation. Lower barriers to entry for software businesses. Potential to monetize AI-generated tools. Appify $1 million challenge mentioned. Technical considerations. Important technical aspects covered. Frameworks: React, Next.js, 3.js, various backend frameworks. Deployment: hosting platforms, cloud services. Authentication: user management systems, clerk mentioned. Version control: Git, GitHub workflows. Testing: debugging strategies, quality assurance. Security: addressing vulnerabilities in AI-generated code. The future of vibe coding. Consensus across videos. AI coding tools are rapidly improving. Integration with IDEs becoming standard. Shift from standalone tools to embedded AI assistants. Growing sophistication of AI agents. Increasing importance of prompt engineering skills. Need for hybrid approach. AI assistance plus human expertise. Google's AI Studio represents major tech companies investing heavily in this space, indicating vibe coding is becoming mainstream. Key takeaways. Vibe coding is powerful, but not magic. It requires understanding and oversight. Best for learning and prototyping, not yet ready for all production applications. Foundational knowledge matters. Programming fundamentals are still essential. Rapid evolution. Tools and capabilities improving constantly. Democratizing development, lowering barriers for non-programmers. Professional oversight needed, especially for security-critical applications.